In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google MyMaps to create your own custom maps. First, you'll want to go to mymaps.google.com. When you go there, it should look something like this. If you've never been there before, it definitely should look like this. What you're going to want to do is click on Create a New Map. Alright, so now I have an untitled map. If you know what you're going to do with this, you can give this a title. I'm going to call this Italian Locations. I'm not going to have a description for now, but that's fine. Alright, and then I'm going to search for things to add to my map. So let's say the Roman Colosseum. Alright, that's right there. I'm going to add that to my map. Let's see, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Add that to my map. And let's go Vatican City. Add that to my map. Now at the moment, all of these locations have the same colored pin. So I'm going to change these just a bit so that it's easier to tell what is what. So if I click on the little paint bucket, I can change the color of the pin, and that will make it easier to distinguish. All right, so now I have 3 of these locations on my map. I'm just going to go to Preview. And now I can see all 3 of these locations on one map. You'll notice that sort of down in the lower right, we have Vatican City and the Colosseum. And up in the upper left, we have the Leaning Tower of Pisa. You get a sense for how far away those things are from one another, where they are in Italy itself. You can zoom out like a regular Google map. So what this does is this allows us to create maps that highlight very specific places with pins. We could share this, we can put it online. For our students, this may help them understand the geography of certain things in the lesson, and it can be a really valuable tool.